Alright, the new battery has arrived for my laptop. This is the one we pulled apart about a week ago. Go and check that video out. We deflated the swollen lithium battery. It was pushing quite badly on the case, and it's been working fantastic ever since. Now it's time to replace it. It's much safer to replace a lithium battery when it's been swollen. Plus this one just hasn't been holding charge very well. So let's get into it. I won't waffle on during the video. I've just got the fan on. So sit back and see how this is done. And we'll see you at the end of the video. It was actually quite an easy process. And then we'll see if it works. For my laptop.
Oh, that will come right. Oh, like right out of it. It doesn't go on that. I thought that was like. Looks like the same battery. Right, so
Alright, last screw in, moment of truth. Let's see if it switches on. Press the power button and we've got instant light up keyboard. And we've got screen power. So I reckon, good time to give it a wipe over. We've done it, 56% charge in the battery. Put the power supply in, make sure it's getting a charge, and yep, we've got the lightning bolt there. There you go, that's how you replace the battery in your laptop. I'm sure some laptops are quite different, but for a Dell, super easy. Beauty! And as always, thanks for watching. If you liked what you see, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment below. That would help my channel grow. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. That would be fantastic.